Good day. This is oral presentation English level 2 index. First, introduce myself. Second, talk about my experience of trip to the Tatacoa Desert. Third, the water in the Tatacoa Desert. Fourth, recommendation for you visit the Tatacoa Desert. This is me. I am Daniel Enrique Gómez Pérez. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota City. I am working in the SENA. I am system engineer and I am studying master in organization management. This is my family, my mom and two sisters. I like play to the soccer and I go to the gym. My experience of trip the Tatacoa Desert. First, the trip it was long more than 7 hours of travel before long from Bogota. When you get there, you see beautiful in escape. The colors red and yellow and gray contrast with the blue and white sky. The land is great part is sandy and rock with little animal and vegetation. Light I keep saying I was extreme experience. Signs I was very hot and there are not 5 or 4-star hotels. After this, there is a delicious gastronomy, delicious meats and rich juice. Finally, when night falls, the stars look very beautiful. That was what I like the most. The water. As mentioned, the water is very warm. On the day, between 32 and 45 degrees Celsius, and the night temperature drop and can reach 14 degrees Celsius. Recommendation for you visit. First, when it's sunny, people have to use sun cream. Second, when it's hot, it must be in contrast hydration. Third, you must wear sunblock and hat and glasses. Fourth, you must have comfortable light clothes and sneakers. Fifth, in at night when it's cold, you should wear a sweater. Sixth, when it's windy, you can protect yourself and with towel. Seventh, it's advisable follow the recommendation authorized personnel. Eight, it is necessary to bring repent to use it at night. Finally, advice of trip. People should to go to the Tatacoa Desert to see the star in the viewpoint camping and looking at the sky. It is very important to being the fishing because the night drag. The people soul not separate the group. Since it is very easy to get lost, people should not bring food and nets, refrigeration, and always have liquor. Okay, finish. Think.